hot wrap. Welcome to Exhibit Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon, live here at Hilltop. At kasama po natin ngayon dito sa T4 Banking Seminar para po sa isang magandang banking management and iba't ibang klase po regarding po sa mga technology. Siyempre, hindi mawawala po dyan, one of the famous, no? Tila lang kilala kahit hindi natin na ipakilala, ang Ayala Land Sales Incorporation. Magandang araw po, kasama po natin si Kyle.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Okay, Kyle, siyempre alam natin, lupa, bahay, condominium, tama?
Of course, of course.
So, ano yung showcase natin dito sa T4 Banking?
Actually, siyempre when it comes to selling naman, limitless naman talaga yung binibenta namin kahit saan naman sa Philippines meron. And
basta
for sure,
may lupa.
for sure may makita kayo kung saan man kayo.
Yes.
Pero we have here right now is
Pakita natin ito, sir.
and two different projects, no. So for this one, we have a project in Arca South in Taguig. So this one's a condominium project, tapos complete to with everything. It's a mixed use. It's part of a mixed use development that will showcase a mall, and it's the usual Ayala that you want to have around. So yan.
Alright, sir, kamusta naman po yung presyo natin ngayon? Alam natin na Ayala Land is the best, no? Pero kaya pa ba na isang Pilipino itong presyo natin?
Of course. Siyempre, most of our buyers are actually still Filipinos, diba? And
Yes.
mapa-end use man yan or investment, kayang-kaya pa rin ng Pinoy.
Kaya ibigay ng Ayala
Siyempre,
Land.
of course, with Ayala Land, we very much showcase kung ano yung flexible na payment options para sa clients and kung ano yung gusto nilang priority.
And I believe marami kayong parang system of payment ngayon, ha?
Yes.
Na ina-adjust natin para ma-avail talaga.
Yes, very flexible talaga.
Yes, so tawagan nyo na si Kyle tsaka yung mga grupo niya. Tawagan natin itong mga barkada niya. Pakilala
This is
natin.
my team, by the way. We're from Ayala Land Premier. This team are Nais.
Say hello, ma'am. Pakilala pa natin isa.
Mark. Denise.
Si ma'am.
Hi, I'm Noni.
Alright. So, okay, welcome po kayo sa Exhibit
Thank you.
Today. At
Thank you.
Meron ba tayong telepono para kontakin kayo, sir?
Yes, we can share, you can contact us at ayalalandpremier.com or you may contact our team. Pwede ba pakita na
Yo, pakita natin.
Sorry. Ito po.
Lapit kayo sa camera, yan.
Yan. Clear ba? Yan. So ito, you can contact here at these details. Tapos ito yung email po namin. Thank you.
At siyempre, kasama natin ang head organizer, sir. Sir Jimmy, come on. Hindi ka rito dyan ka sa Ayala.
Sir JB.
Alright, sige, masyadong shape po sa camera. Ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon, nagsasabi po na thank you po sa aming gumawa po ng booth nito, ang Venue Design, Swedish Design. Siyempre, ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon ay nagpapasalamat kay Mr. Rick Angeles, ang aming executive producer.
Thank you.
God bless you all. Ayala Land is the best.
Of course.
Palakpak.